Just go to.
Okay, I've started recording. Okay, so what is a study? We will see. See, typically you have solved these tactics positions, right? On chess king or on Lichess puzzles you have solved. These are called as tactical puzzles, typically from an actual game, mostly from the middle game or something, where one side has got a clear tactic to win. It might be a pin, it might be a fork, it might be a discovered attack, it might be a back rank mate, etc. Okay. So these are the types of puzzles. Sometimes you have also solved the puzzles that are called as mate in 1 or mate in 2 or mate in 3, etc. Right? Which means that the side to move can force a mate irrespective of what the other side plays, how good or how bad the other side plays. You can maximum, like you must have seen, I'm sure all of you have seen those chess king puzzles with mate in 2 or this one, right? By now you should be doing those mate in 2 puzzles. So mate in 2 mein, no matter what you do, you make a move, opponent makes whatever move, next move you will be able to check it, right? Those are called as, in general, those are called as mate in n, because n can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also it can sometimes, right? So these are all called as puzzles, chess puzzles, okay? Now studies are, what is a study? It is similar to a puzzle, but slightly different. They are synthetic positions, okay, which means that most of the studies are composed. They have not occurred in some game, while the puzzles have typically the things which have occurred in some game. Okay, so studies are created. They are nobody, no, that position never probably occurred in some known game, but somebody created that position. Okay, and where the solver typically in the study, because it is always synthetic, means it is all created. So generally the thing is that either it is a stronger side to win or weaker side to draw. That is the objective. Okay, because weaker side obviously cannot hope to win, right? So weaker side should be that, oh, in spite of the weakness, can it able to draw, right? Or the stronger side ideally should be winning. It should not be drawing, right? Because it has got the higher advantage. And so, now because it is synthetic, normally by convention, it is always given the stronger side is always made as white. Okay, you can always turn the position around and you can say, okay, the other way around, but generally because it is a convention. Okay, so it is always white to move and win, or it is generally black to move and draw. Those are the kinds of positions are created. Okay, and this history, if you understand, I will send you another link to my YouTube lecture from my first series where I have described this. See, this is a history of almost 1200 years. Remember, 1200 years back also people were creating chess studies. Okay, so this is, see, on the first two problems, I will probably not this one go through them in detail because I have gone through them separately. But see, one is the Dilaram problem. It is from 10th century. The rules of the chess were also slightly different. Okay, but I've explained it in my lecture there. Yeah, in those times, bishops could move. Bishops were known as something different. But still, it is a wonderful problem. And then there is this Al-Adli.
Wonderful problem. Wonderful problem.
So Al-Adli in his 870 AD or something, okay? So that is the time he lived, and he has created in his manuscript. Manuscript means earlier there were no printing of the books, right? So they used to, books means they used to write by hand only, and that is what was the manuscript. And other people used to make a copy by hand only. So those are called as manuscripts. So an Arabic manuscript from 1140 AD, which is what, almost 900 years before us, right? So, so that also shows a problem which has been created, composed. Okay, so there is a beautiful history. What I urge you is, I will send you the link to my my YouTube video. You can go through it, where both these problems I have described it in great detail, and I have gone through the solutions. Here the solutions are given, but more explanation is given in my thing. So we will see that. Okay, but what we will do is, we will go to some interesting problems, and you will get the idea. Okay, why it is so. Okay, so let us take this leftmost problem. It is an easy problem. Okay, it's an easy problem. So we will start with an easy one, and then we will see. So leftmost problem, let me, just for the benefit, I will put it on Lichess board so that you can all try to solve it. Okay, it is queen is on f2, and on e4. Okay, fine.
Morning, sir.
Yeah,
Excuse me, sir.
yeah.
Sir, how to copy a study? Okay, I found it. 1 minute. Study URL. Okay, sir. Shall I send the FEN or URL?
You can send the URL. I think that is easy for everyone.
Okay, Control V.
Okay, this is the position and white queen is there. And so we are starting with an easy example. Okay, but white to play. Okay, we will say analysis. Okay, white to play and checkmate in 3 moves. That is the puzzle. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
rook to A2. The queen into A7.
Okay, we'll just see rook to A2. Okay. I know you are targeting this one here. Okay, but what can happen is,
Sorry, sir, it will be a checkmate.
yeah, it will be a checkmate by
But
black.
can I tell you, if this is a queen sacrifice, can I tell you?
Yes.
Sir, queen queen to A7.
Okay.
And then rook to A2.
Wait, first of all, king will have to take it, right? King will have
Yeah,
to take the
so
queen.
that's white's other move.
A2.
Rook A2.
Checkmate.
Not checkmate. Queen
Okay,
will come.
sorry. Mate in 1 after this.
Yeah, after this it is mated. Good. I think you got it. So you saw. So what? How was the thing, right? It is a mate. It is a mate in 3, but it became with a queen sacrifice. Okay. So it now looks very simple. But remember, this position was created some 700 or 800 years ago. So for that time, remember the time when there was not even. I mean, people will be just having candles, 1 candle at night per day kind of thing, right? I mean, nothing to. No thing. It is 700 years back. You can imagine 800 years back. What will be the life that time also? But people were creating. So this is so. But you found it. There is a certain beauty to it. Now it looks simple at our age. Now in 21st century and especially thing, it looks very simple. But there is an interesting thing to it, right? Queen sacrifice in a problem. First known problem where a queen sacrifice is involved.
Sir, I have done a lot of queen sacrifices in your tournaments.
Good. All right. Let me see on the chat window what is there. Sorry, lot of. Okay.
So to everyone.
No, somebody is saying. Okay. So okay, they are talking about your study. Yeah, you can make it public probably and share the link.
Sir, I don't know how to make it public. So
just in the settings you can go for the study, or I will.
can I share the screen?
Yeah, okay. I will stop sharing. You share the screen and let us do it. I will tell you.
Sir, please allow share screen.
Okay. Security. Okay, I have allowed screen sharing.
Okay, thank you, sir. So this is my study mate in 1.
Okay, so I will. You are logged in, right? Okay, fine. I will just tell you where to go and make the changes in the study. So can you see that that at the top you can see 2 chapters, 1 member, and next to that there is dot that burger menu is there. Click that.
Yes,
see now
sir.
Visibility here. You can make it public.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Other thing also, allow cloning, etc. That's it. So I'm not going to discuss this study right now, but you know how to make it this one, right? Public.
Yes, sir.
Save it. Otherwise it will go. Save it. At the bottom there is a save button.
I cannot see it because there are zoom controls. Okay, I'll just move it. Save.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So you can stop sharing. I will go back to my share.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. So you got the idea of this one. I have to start sharing my screen again. So get it. Fine. So you got the idea of the puzzles, right? So similarly, there are the other one is the next one is a very famous mate in 5 puzzle. I guess you would have got it. You know in this one, I think. The second puzzle. It is a rook sacrifice basically. Both rooks get sacrificed on h8, and then finally queen comes to h1. So second position,
Sir, I understood. Rook to h8, king will kill the rook.
Yeah.
rook to h1, the other rook,
Yeah.
the king will, it will be a mate.
No, it is not a mate. After rook h1 check, king goes to g8. The second rook comes to h1, sacrifices itself. King takes the rook on h8, second time. Then,
Yes, sir, I said that only.
then queen comes. Finally, queen comes to h1 check. King goes back to g8, and then queen comes to h7, and then it is a mate.
I
Okay.
did not understand, sir.
Okay, I will very, very quickly I'll put it. Okay, so that it is board editor. Here. Something like this.
Sir, but white is already in advantage.
Yeah, white is an advantage, but you have to checkmate in 5 moves. It's not this one. Sorry.
Sir, what if we give a check? Okay, no, nothing, sir.
White to play. See, the thing is, okay, August I joined, great. So, see, this is a position white to move and checkmate in 5 moves or something.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the solution for this is a double rook sacrifice, which all of you should know. It's
Sir, what are we learning today?
we are learning chess endgame studies. Okay.
Okay, I just joined some.
Yeah, no problem. Fine.
How to sacrifice the other rook? It will be in a
Yeah, see, the beauty is first is
Yes.
what you have to remember is if, when the pawn is like this, it is like
it's
poking
blocking
the
the
king.
square. The king only has
Yeah.
white in
So when a
hand.
pawn is like this, if the queen reaches h7, it will be checkmate.
Yes, sir.
Right? Because the rook is blocking the other square and it cannot come to f7. Queen has to come to h7 without allowing black to make any room anywhere else. Okay. So how to go about is, so this is very, very instructive. Rook goes to h1, sorry, h8 check. King takes two. Rook comes to h1. King goes to g8.
Okay.
Rook goes to h8. King takes the rook. Queen
Yes.
comes to h1. See, now the queen has come to the open h file. Now
Yes.
next move it will be
Mate.
checkmate.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Sir, you can just, sir, do you have to sacrifice?
Yeah, just hold on. I think somebody else was asking some question. So the fastest, see, the checkmate in 5 moves is possible only if you sacrifice the rooks. There is no other way, because white can still win, but it will not be checkmate in 5 moves unless you sacrifice. Okay, that was Agastya's question. Somebody else was asking a question. Some girl was asking a question. Was it Himika or was it someone else, or who was that?
Her name started from K, I guess.
Was
I
it
have
Mish?
view.
Yeah, who is that? Go ahead. Your voice is feeble. Tell your name and then your question.
Gargi, sir, it's Gargi.
Gargi, okay, Gargi, your voice. Rushad, okay. Your voice is feeble. Go ahead and ask your question.
Can you go to Queen H1?
Okay, I will go to Queen H1. So that is after this one here, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Why didn't the queen kill the queen?
No, queen cannot kill the queen because the other queen is here, right? Where can it kill the queen?
Like.
Okay, it can. Okay, maybe it can add one more move to the thing. It can come like this. Then you will give it. Then you will go here, and then it is checkmate. Yeah, you are right. It can sacrifice. The other queen can sacrifice by extending it by one more.
But I knew that, but no one would waste his time by doing this. Obviously.
Yeah, but technically speaking, instead of 4 moves, it becomes 5 moves. That's how it becomes 5 moves, mate.
Yes.
Right?
Sir.
Yeah.
Also, black can also give a check, right?
No, right now white is giving a check.
It
That
does
time you
not
cannot
have time.
see, there is no chance for black to give a check. See, white to play gives a check. Now black cannot give a check. Black has to respond. Then white gives another check. Now after this, white gives a third check. Third check. Again, black does not have any time to. Then white gives a fourth check. And even if you put a queen in between, right? Like we saw Queen h3. Then also it will take another check. So there is no chance for black to give a check. You don't give a chance, right? You
Okay,
understood?
sir.
Yeah. So, okay, this one, Rushad, you have a question?
300 rated players do a threefold repetition draw in this case. They give a check from C4 and then this square. A4. No. H4.
Yeah, I mean it can happen. So, but fine. But who was saying? Somebody was saying was Kalyan. Sorry, not Kalyan. Rushad, are you having a this one? Are you having a question? You have raised your hand.
Nothing.
Okay, okay. Somehow your voice is very feeble. Huh? Maybe your mic is not a thing, or it is not picking up, or it's okay. Fine.
What? I didn't hear you.
Okay, fine. So you understood, sir. These problems can become very okay. The third problem is, I think everyone should know. It is from by Lucena in the 16th century. 16th century means we are in the 21st century. So 500 years back. Okay. So this is a wonderful problem. Let us again put it. Let me put it. Two rooks on A8, B8, queen on A4, C6, D5. Okay, I will put this very quickly because this is the first known position where a certain type of tactic was given. Okay, let us take this thing again. White to move. Okay, white to move. White is in a materially black is better because black has got two rooks and a queen. White has got a
Yes,
I'll just first.
Sir, can I say?
Yeah,
but in this case,
just
white has chances not.
Sir, can I say?
Black will be.
Sir, can I say I'm Dipanto?
Yeah, Dipanto, I will just come to you. I will just explain this position and then just I will ask you the solution. Okay, just hold on, everyone. Okay, it's interesting. Remember, white king is in the middle. There is no pawns, white pawns. Black has got two pawns, two rooks. White has got a knight, and both of them have got a queen. So if you allow the game to go as it is, then black will very easily win. Okay, but you have to do something very forceful. And can you win from white side? Okay, so there is a,
Sir, I think it is queen E6.
wait,
I
Dipanto.
also thought it is queen.
Yeah, just hold on. I think I'll have to mute. Wait. I am going to mute everybody. Okay, because okay, I have muted everybody, and Dipant had raised the hand first, so I'm going to or reached out. So Dipant, you can unmute and you can.
Sir, first
Yeah.
queen to E6.
Okay, I give the check to queen to E6. Now black king, there is a black king cannot come to F8 because it will be a checkmate next move, right? Queen will go to F7 with the support of the knight and it will be a checkmate. So king has to go to H8. Now,
Now,
what do you do?
sir, knight to F7.
Okay, let us see now what happens. Knight to F7 check. Now king has got only one square to come, so king will come to G8.
Knight to F6.
Okay, brilliant move. Very good move. This is called as a double check, right? Because there are two checks by the queen as well as the knight at the same time. Now king can still not go to F8 because if he goes to F8, queen will come to F7 and checkmate with the support of the knight. So king has to go to H8 again. Now
Queen. Queen to
Okay, someone else who wants? I will ask Ramnath. Ramnath, you can. I have allowed you to unmute. Can you tell what is the what
Sir,
should-
knight to f6.
knight to f6 cannot be. Knight is on h6. From here, it cannot come here, right?
So not that one move forward.
Oh, where? No, I see. I think it is correct. I see. I'll tell you. Up to here, it is all correct. After this only, up to here, it is all correct. After this, you have to find the move. Someone else knows it.
Knight to f7.
Again, same thing. It will repeat. It will repeat. Right? It was already on f7 and the knight had gone.
In the knight to
I will say, sir,
Yes.
knight to d6.
sir, queen sacrifice.
And
Queen to g8.
yes, and Gargi has also given it. And I think it is right. Queen to g8 check. Now what can do? Can the king kill the queen?
No, sir, rook should kill.
Beautiful. Because king cannot kill because the knight is having the support. So rook can kill.
Now
and
knight to f7.
beautiful. Beautiful. Wonderful. This is this is called as smothered mate. So black king is checkmated just with a knight. And why it is checkmated is that his own soldiers are blocking his own way. Right? So this is a very wonderful type of checkmate. When it happens, you feel very happy if you are if you are the person who is giving the checkmate. Right?
Sir, I thought of this move, but I thought that queen will go.
But
I
where is the queen?
see this
Right?
move.
Yeah. So this is a very wonderful tactic everyone should know. And what the key part is, so this is called a smothered mate. And first time it did not happen in the game, but it was created by a person called Lucena in the 16th century. He created this position. Okay, fine. So this being the case, fine. So I'm just giving you how beautiful it can be, right? It can be how beautiful. So that is why this thing. So we are going to see very quickly. We are going to see a few more positions, okay, and then we are going to see next week we are going to continue the study and see some more very interesting positions. So let me show you another famous mate called as Loli's mate. Again, it is from some at least 300 years ago. So this is the position left side here. See, white to play and checkmate in 3 moves. I'll put it on the thing. Already so many people have raised the hands. And don't read the solution at the thing, but I will put it here. Yeah, this is the position and white to play. White has got 1 queen, black has got 2 rooks. Okay. And I'm not going to think. Yeah.
Pawn to f6.
Pawn to f6, threatening queen to g7 mate. And what can black do? Black has to push his pawn.
Sir, queen to h6.
Yeah, see, queen to h6, and now you are going to next move. You are going to give a mate here, right?
Yes, sir.
So now the rooks, any of the rooks are nothing. They cannot do anything. See here itself, you cannot do anything other than this. You cannot protect the thing. So only thing that you can do is push it, but then immediately queen comes here, right? And then there is no way. No, you cannot move the rooks. I mean, you can move the rooks, but it doesn't help. Next move it is going to become a checkmate, right? So this is why by Italian person named Loli, he created this position somewhere in the 1700s, I believe. Okay, so but are you enjoying these positions? Are you enjoying
Yes,
it? Are
sir.
you liking it?
Yes, sir.
Right? So there are many such positions. There are many, entire world of thousands of such things. There are entire books which are only dedicated to this. Okay, so I'm just giving you an introduction that you should know. But oh, it happened to you. Okay, so Chaitanya is saying that once it happened to him. Okay, all right, it can happen. Okay, next position is also very, very wonderful positions. Oh, Agastya said it also happened to him. Okay, G5, G5, F6, G4, H4. Okay, all right. And queen is on B6. Fine. I will put this position. No. Yeah, Ishan. Okay, Ishan is saying, I will unmute you, Ishan. No problem. Where is Ishan? Okay, Ishan, I have asked you, I have allowed you to unmute.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, can you go back to the starting position?
Of this one, of this position.
Yeah, this one.
Hey, who is that? Me, typing everything. Agastya. No, Vihan. Agastya, both of you, please stop the spams. It's not okay. It is irritating for rest of the everybody else. Okay. So here, yeah, Ishan.
Okay, so it's white.
White to move. Yeah, white to move.
So can you do F6?
Yeah, F6.
And then black to move, right? So can black do actually no, he can't. Okay, never mind.
Black can only do G6, nothing else he can do, right?
Yeah, he can't.
Even if he moves out the rook and makes space, it is still not good enough because this is still checkmate immediately.
Yeah, I was thinking he could do H6.
H6 also doesn't help. H6, H5, nothing helps because this is immediately checkmate, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So what I was doing is I was creating another position, code editor, clear board, black pawn on G4, black king on H4, white black queen on here, white king here, and white queen is here. It is white to play. It is white to play. It looks as if black is winning outright, right? White king is completely in the corner. Black king comes one, this one. Yeah, yeah, I think so. What is the best way? I think, yeah, Gargi has written, Sahil has written. So let us see what happens after white to play. But see, otherwise black is going to win this. But only thing is that who is move? White to moves. Queen H6, check. So black king has got only one square to go. Black king goes to where? G3. And now?
Sir, queen to H2.
Yeah, queen to H2 is a checkmate because this is all covered by the queen, and these two gentlemen are blocking their own king. They are not allowing it to escape, right? So though the position is like this, see, this can happen. See, this type of position can happen in actual game. Can you imagine? Both of you have got a queen left, one of you have got a pawn left, something like this is happening, but you have to be alert sometime. The other king is coming in to help the queen to checkmate the opponent's king, but it may happen that sometimes like this and sudden. So it is always important to think, right? See how beautiful it was. It was almost like a gone game. I mean, many people would have resigned. Yeah, I'm going to lose it. It's okay, this, that, etc. But you can just look at the position and then. Ishan, I have explained that. I think Ishan is asking why the king cannot approach the other king, because it will get killed. If they are in contact, then whoever comes in first contact will get killed. That is the reason why they are not allowed. Okay, fine. Let us go back to the thing. So we have seen this also. We have seen this. This next one is a Morphy's mate. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Can you see this? Bishop on. In fact, there should be another rook here. Okay. So. Yeah, no, another rook cannot be here. Okay, fine. So this is the position. This is our favorite player, Paul Morphy, right?
Sir, I know this position.
Okay, then you just keep quiet. Let us see other people. Let us give other people a chance. It is white to play. White to play. So many people have raised their hand. I think, yeah, first move is obvious. I think everybody. Okay, you all of you try to give it on the chat only. Okay, this move is correct. Obviously, the best move. Okay, so king has to go here. Chaitanya. Okay, Chaitanya, you can just suggest you just keep quiet. Let us see whether other people give it. Okay, so now what is the next move? Rook G5. Rook G5. Somebody is saying. Oh, anybody else suggesting any other move? Rook G8. Rook G8 is bad move. Why? Because king will very happily take it. Mishti, so think about it. You don't have anything left. You have only one bishop. Rook to G8. Gargi, you are also saying Rook to G8. Wrong. Because king will simply take it, and then you cannot checkmate, and the other side will have rook and 2 pawns. Very easily it will win. Yeah. Rook to G5 is also wrong. Why Rook to G5 is wrong? Because F6. Now this pawn blocks the check, and the pawn is supported by the rook. Right, so it is not easy after this to win. So, but best move is rook to F7 check. Now the pawn cannot come in. Pawn has been captured. So now where the king will go? Wait, not rook H7 also. King will come to G8. Now rook to G7. Correct. Rook to G7. King will have to again go back, and now what do you do? Now we'll just wait, Chaitanya. Yes, see, Dipant got it. Okay, great. I think that's what you were saying, right, Chaitanya? I think you are also. So rook G5 will also do. Anything will do. Rook G, anything on this G5 will do. Because now there is a check. King cannot come here. There is nothing to block. So only thing to block is one move. You can block it with the rook, and then next move, bishop takes it, and then it is checkmate. Right? See, earlier you could not do this. You could not do this earlier as long as the F pawn was there. So here this also you could not do. Rook G8 is wrong, and rook G5 was also wrong because F6 was possible here. The pawn will have blocked it, and the pawn has the support of the rook. But now that not this, I will promote this. So yeah, you first take the pawn, and then again force the king, and again it goes to the same position, and now you can do rook G5. Right? So okay, all right. Let us see if we can squeeze in one more before we think. How much we have? 4 minutes left. I will just try to give one more very quick position. But I hope you got the idea, right? I hope you got the idea. This is again easy. This is again easy, but I think Pillsbury's mate. Pillsbury's mate is easy. So I will very quickly put it on board. Yeah, it is white to play. You can say white to play. I think first move is very obvious.
Sir, rook to G1.
Correct. Rook to G1, and king goes to H8.
Bishop to G7.
Correct.
Now bishop to F6.
Correct. So now you are covering the escape square of the king also, and there is nothing to put it, right? So this mating pattern is known as Pillsbury's mate. Okay, it can happen in very complex ways, different, But Agastya, this also has happened to you, huh? Okay, I think many of them have happened to you. Okay, but this, remember this pattern where the bishop is of on h6, it attacks the rook, but it doesn't really allow checkmating. But if you the same bishop is on f6, then it comes. So what is the thing to think is, oh, I give a check, king goes here, I give a check here, and then I come to f6, and then it is like there is no. So king cannot. So there is no avoidance is not possible, blocking is not possible, and capture is also not possible, right? So you got it. So now just I will go to the handout. I'm going to share the handout as well as the lecture link with you. Okay, but
Sir,
yeah,
who will also be greedy, they'll first take the rook at this position.
sorry.
Sir, who will also be greedy, they will take the rook.
It depends, but if you can see, the smart people might see the checkmate, and then they might say that, okay, it is better to checkmate rather than killing the rook, right? So it is, you are right in the sense. But see, but I just give you an introduction this week. Next week we are going to see some even more beautiful positions. Okay, I will probably send you the links for both the videos right now, so you can, if you can watch it. But see, there are very strange positions are possible. There is Napoleon's march from Paris to Moscow to Paris. There is a crossing the Balkans. There is foundational white vein. So all of these are very beautiful positions. So I will cover them next week, and I will send you the handout as well as this one. Okay. No, we are about to end now, so I will not unmute now anymore, Mishti. But you can send me, if you have a question, you can send me on WhatsApp. Let me stop the recording. Okay, and